The Chamber of Secrets, where Harry was a 12-year-old boy in the second movie. The Chamber of Secrets can refer to the place where hanging angels gather to unveil the Virgin Mary that is hidden underneath a black veil. Illuminate the secrets of Slytherin. Use your wand to uncover hidden messages, reveal the basilisks, and hear whispers of Parseltongue. If you are new to my acrobatic channel, just hit the subscribe button for free.
You can also come forward and take photos with the door itself, but again, your reminder, please not cover.
Let us see what they're doing. Oh, Moaning Myrtle appears. The Chamber of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of the ear, beware. It's written in blood by Ginny Weasley, the sister of Ronald. Harry Potter rescued her in the second movie. Moaning Myrtle doesn't appear physically after all because she's a ghost. Moaning Myrtle belongs to the Ravenclaw team, so she's a Ravenclaw witch. It's the last 2 minutes to take pictures of this holding area before the circular door called the Chamber of Secrets opens. Moaning Myrtle moans in the background.
For those who have just entered, welcome. The chamber door will be opening in 1 minute. The chamber door will be opening in less than 1 minute. If you wish to take photos with the door, kindly come forward and do so. This is your last chance to take photos with the door. Again, this is your last few chances to take photos with the door itself. Chamber of Secrets. Legend says it was founded by one of the schools.
Harry Potter in the Chamber of Secrets. The main protagonist was a 12-year-old boy in this film. Yes! We're ready to enter the Chamber of Secrets and pretend that we're 12 years old.
1, 2, 3, point away!
Aloha Mora! The snake goes around the circle, edge.
Chamber of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of the air, beware. It's written in blood.
Hermione Granger said that sentence. The Chamber of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of the ear, beware. We'll now get into the Chamber of Secrets. Like Harry Potter preparing to unveil the Virgin Mary as if he were a hanging angel at 12 years old in the Sugat Kabanhawan at Minglanilla. Here's the Chamber of Secrets. In fact, Harry Potter has a higher angelic role here. He's more like an archangel than just merely a hanging angel that merely prays to God in heaven. Because he's gonna fight a demon, the enemy pet of Voldemort. He uses a sword to defeat this villain, animal villain. Tom Marvolo Riddle translates to I am Lord Voldemort when you rearrange these letters. Let's demonstrate. Tom Marvolo Riddle. And then it translates to I am Lord Voldemort. He's the one who killed Harry Potter's parents in the first movie called The Sorcerer's Stone or the Philosopher's Stone. What is yet to appear in this snake with fangs? Oh! There! If I were Harry Potter right now, I would be in great danger of getting killed by the snake of Slytherin. Here's the side view of the snake. It isn't allowed to use flash photography inside, as that would be distractive. Right now, we'll proceed to the front view. A boy tried to cast a spell but nothing worked. Here, I am on high alert to check where is the snake hiding, so that I, as Harry Potter, won't be endangered. Let's see what the magic wand does when I cast something below. Oh, it illuminates in green. Still inside the Chamber of Secrets. And let's pretend that we're 12 years old, like Harry Potter in the second movie. His age was symbolic, because that's the age of a hanging angel in Minglanilla that will unveil the Mary statue on Easter Sunday dawn. Here's the other side of the Chamber of Secrets. There are 3 snakes. A man is casting a spell to a woman. Let's leave the Chamber of Secrets after I defeat the Slytherin snake as Harry Potter.